One of the newest strategies that we have taught our students is the mark and move forward strategy, using a paper clip to help with measurement. To do this, you take a paper clip and line it up with the edge of the line or the end of the line. You then hold it down with one finger while you mark a line at the end of the paper clip with another. Then you move it forward and you mark again. And you keep moving it forward until you can no longer mark the line. We then count the spaces that it took to measure the line. If you notice, there is a gap right here. We go ahead and tell the students that this is one paper clip in length because it is about a paper clip. To help give students a better visualization of what we're talking about when we measure, we then line up the paper clips and show the students exactly what we mean by 3 paper clips. It can help the students see exactly the length and how the spaces work. Some people may ask, well, why is this important? Well, I'm sure that you, as well as other people, have used different objects to help measure something in the real world when a tape measure or a ruler is not available. These are the same type of things that we are asking our students to learn how to do. But once they have used their paper clip to measure, we then have the students double check the length of the line by measuring using a centimeter ruler. We want to measure to the end of the line. Now this is 8.5, so most of us adults would write just 8.5 down. Right now we're telling the students to measure to the closest centimeter. The closest centimeter would be 9. So on our paper, for line A, we would write 3 paper clips and 9 centimeters. We then do the same thing for line B. We lay our paper clip down, line it up, mark it. Move it forward, lay it down, mark it. We then count the number of spaces, double check with paper clips to make sure that we have that correct. Yes, we do. So we can say it's 2 paper clips long. We then measure with our ruler, lining the BBL, the big black line, see what number it comes close to, the 6. So it's about 6 centimeters long. We then answer questions about these 2 lines using the paper clips and the centimeters. So let's look at C. Line B is about blank paper clips shorter than line A. One of the things that we're making sure that students watch out for are the words shorter and the words longer. Both of these words mean that we're going to be subtracting. So we look at line B and paper clips. Line B is 2 paper clips. Line A is 3 paper clips. So we need to subtract 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So line B is about 1 paper clip shorter than line A. Looking at D, line A is about blank centimeters, so now we're going to look at centimeters up here, longer than line B. Once again, there's that word longer, so we're going to subtract. Line A is 9 centimeters, line B is 6 centimeters. 9 minus 6 is 3. So line A is about 3 centimeters longer than line B. This is the mark and move forward strategy in measurement.